Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my lecture 4 for subject English, class 2. Your English teacher Naushin Mirza here, Divisional Public School, Model Town, Lahore. Dear students, the contents of today's lecture are the concept of some and any, and we'll do exercise 1 on page 3 and 4. So grab your grammar and usage book and take out page number 3. Here is grammar and usage book, and we'll learn today the use of some and any. First of all, some. We use some in positive sentences with countable nouns. The nouns that we can count, for example, dolls, pencils, erasers, chairs, and uncountable nouns, the nouns that we cannot count, for example, water, fire, any. Let me explain it to you. We use any in questions. For example, do you have any chocolate? Do you have any ice cream? Furthermore, we use any in negative sentences. For example, I do not want any chocolate. Similarly, I do not want any ice cream. I do not want any pencil. Any is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. You have to remember this. Let some and any. Let's clear the concept of some and any furthermore. Use some in affirmative statements and any in negative statements and questions. Like whenever we visit doctor, he advised us, you can have some fruit every day, as an apple a day keeps doctor away. But you can't have any sugar. It means one should avoid sugary things. That is a negative sentence. Here comes our grammar and usage book, exercise 1, page 3. Let me read the question for you. Fill in the blanks with some or any. The first sentence is, John has dash comics. What comes here? Some. So, what some comes in this blank? John has some comics. Number 2 is, Susan has dash dolls. What comes here? Some will come here. Susan has some dolls. Number 3 sentence is, there isn't dash book on the shelf. Any will come here because it is a negative sentence. There isn't any book on the shelf. Number 4 sentence is, there isn't dash juice in the glass. There isn't any juice in the glass. Next is, have you dash money to lend me? What comes in the blank? Any. Have you any money to lend me? The farmer has dash eggs to sell. What comes in the blank? Some. The farmer has some eggs to sell. Dash boys are playing in the field. So here comes some. Some boys are playing in the field. Next is there teacher in the class? Is there any teacher in the class? It is a interrogative sentence, so any will come here. Mother is cooking dash food. Mother is cooking some food. Joe doesn't have dash brother or sister. So what comes here? Any. Joe doesn't have any brother or sister. Let's see what's in home task today. Learn and write page number 3 and 4 of grammar and usage book in your notebook. This will help you in learning the concepts of some and any. I hope you understand the concept of some and any. If you have any queries or questions regarding this lecture, do inbox me or comment in the comment box. I'm here to help you, to guide you. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.